Weather, Sabrina is here. Hi, Sabrina.
Hi, Nick. Well, following the recent flooding, I think a lot of you are wondering what happens next. Well, we do have some wet weather in the forecast over the next few days in the form of some patchy rain and some sharp showers. But I think when you look at the big picture, it will be an improving story. No Met Office weather warnings currently in place, but the last time I checked on the Natural Resources Wales website, there were still 11 flood warnings and 30 flood alerts. So here's the headlines then. So in terms of coastal warnings, a few more of these could be issued if you combine the supermoon and high spring tide. There could be a few issues, but no new river flood warnings anticipated. So it's bonfire night tonight. Also an opportunity to see the Beaver supermoon. So that's the largest, brightest moon of the year. I think more of us, though, have a chance of seeing the fireworks from the supermoon tonight. That's because of the large cloud amounts out there. So if you are out and about this evening, then we will expect a bit more rainfall. And speaking of rainfall, this is what we've seen so far this month. So that's that first column. Some places have seen around 50% of our monthly rainfall already. So we have seen quite a few issues across the country and a bit more rainfall to come over the next few days. So as for this evening then, we start off with some patchy rain, mainly in parts of the south. That will extend its way northwards tonight. But you can still see there's some drier gaps in between. And then after midnight, generally speaking, a return to drier conditions. Quite a mild night given the time of year, 10 to 13 Celsius for the lows, and not too windy either. Then our Thursday forecast, it's all about the scattered showers. So not everybody will see one, but where you do, some of those could be heavy in nature. A slight chance for the odd rumble of thunder with some bright or sunny spells mixed in. Not too breezy once again, and quite mild for the time of year. Those temperatures a number of degrees above average. By the time we get to Friday then, another weather front moving in. That will bring a bit more in the way of persistent rain, but it's not going to last all day. So Friday morning, any early brightness or sunshine will be replaced by some thicker cloud. Then as the day wears on, that next band of rain will move in. With that, the breeze will pick up. Temperatures a little bit lower. And then at the moment, Saturday, our drier day of the weekend. That's your latest. See you soon, Nick.
Sabrina, thanks very much.